how to modify this application in the web. So I'm using Claude here. So I will so run this. So to be the key. So we have to mention the development. So jump or flying it takes a server. So I will run the server. So download it and just click that download and reach that. So basically so I will comment the quality and everything. So I'm running the here. Yeah, run the capacity division, capacity. So also run PHP. Also run nice. So three things. Okay. Now going to our command and this command you have to put run support and simply put and the application is this. So this is the application of it. So code is there everything code. So for to get it output, so complete very good. And you can do the full thing index about it. So run the about as class rating. So you can that so this class the class in 10, this is the class 1, then class 2, class 3, and class 4 and class 5. Also we can find comment for this committee around us instruction. So everything is done. So we can restart. Also we are putting the animation. So this is the animation we put from right now. We are putting from so I need from as so I can put and replace for what okay. So instead so run moment and this is our student value. So this is the student out. So now student and our data is this login. Go to the primary and go to the user. So we test user. This is the latest user and keep this need to roll to user and we to make it 10. So going roll is D7. So when we to user role, so all will to this. So need to go So let's make this arrow. So J. So this is it. So I'm putting this same password. Okay. Log and log in by this and password is this. So this is the password and that plus 1 plus 6. So we invert this in some years. So very done. So this is the T set dashboard. So the first T set so we can plus 1 so and into exam so these are subject class subject class class 1 2 3 4 5 6 or subject is here. So this is going to be class system and this exam is not added here. So go to the platform. So there is not entertaining exam. There's the exam editing and this is also student. There is no student anything. Save is student profile. So it's the actual exam. This is the mark which file student. Communicate and gender preference. So easily access system also has a system. For dashboard determinant, you have to update the system. Also, you will update the network system to bank system. So this class or user and or user additional class will show just update the mark and create the communicate automatically everything will be for example all class attended all students for sure. So it's easy to handle. So we will update it and disable it. So we will make it further back in the future. So at present, this is the simple system and completely using our Claude, right? So everything we can use this from here and making this. So we go into the this is our compass. So we can save this about this. Class we can OT like this contact and portal. Everything is here. So this stuff like any issue you can contact me with this. Thank you.